Good morning, everyone. Today we'll talk about the different tenses and aspects. So we have three main tenses. These are past, present, and future. And we also have four main aspects of a verb, and these are simple, perfect, progressive, or what we call continuous tense, and perfect progressive. All right. So when we read it, it's like this: past, present, future for tenses, and simple, perfect, progressive or continuous, and perfect progressive for aspects. So this is how we read this: simple past, simple present, simple future. And past perfect, present perfect, future perfect, past progressive, present progressive, future progressive, past perfect progressive, present perfect progressive, and future perfect progressive. Now, let's try to write using the verb make. We know that make is an irregular verb. Yes, it is an irregular verb, and its simple past form is made. Now we have to consider two things when deciding on the tenses of the verb that we will use in a sentence, because it depends on the subject. So take note if your subject is singular and if your subject is plural. So let's have first the simple past. Makes, the verb makes, simple past tense is made. For simple present, there are two, because we have to consider two subjects, singular and plural. So first we have for singular subject, makes, and for plural subject, make. Okay, so again, makes is for singular and make is for plural. Now for future, simple future, we will use a helping verb plus the base form of the verb. So the helping verb that we will use is will plus the base form, which is make. Next one, for past perfect. Since this is past perfect, then we have to use a helping verb. We'll look into a helping verb, which is a have verb, plus the past participle of the verb. Take note, past participle, not simple past form. Okay, so we have three choices: the has, the have, and the had. But since we are talking about past, then we can use had. Had plus made, which is the past participle. Let's go to the present perfect. We have two, but this is the formula: a helping verb plus the past participle of the verb. So, again, we will consider two things: if the subject is singular and if the subject is plural. So for singular subject, we will use has plus the past participle made. So has made. For plural subjects, we use have plus the past participle made, and that's have made. Okay. Next, let's go to future. It's the same formula, helping verb plus the past participle form of the verb. So we'll use again will, have, and then the past participle made. Will have made. Okay, I hope that's clear. Let's go now to past progressive or past continuous. The formula is helping verb, and then the helping verb that we will be using are the be verbs, helping verbs, plus the ing form of the verb. Why ing form? Because it's progressive, it's continuous. Now let's have this one. So helping verb, there could be two options again, because it depends if the subject is singular or plural. So was is used for singular, where is used for plural. Both of them are for past. Okay. Now let's write the ing form of the verb make, and that's making. So was making is for a singular subject, where making is for a plural subject. Next one, present progressive or present continuous. Same formula, helping verb, which is a be verb plus the ing form of the verb. And that's, you have two options again. If the subject is singular, then we have to use is. If the subject is plural, then we have to use are. And then write the ing form, which is making. So once again, is making is for a singular subject and are making is for a plural subject. Next, let's go to future progressive or future continuous. Helping verb plus, of course, the helping verb is a be verb plus the ing form of the verb. So we have will be plus the ing form, making. Will be making. Okay, again, will be, not just will be making. Let's go to past perfect progressive. Okay, so perfect progressive is combination of perfect and progressive. So we can use the past perfect helping verb, which is this is formula, helping verb plus been plus the ing form of the verb. So we have, okay, since this is past, we will use had plus been and the ing form, making. Okay, now let's go to present perfect. So there we have two options, but this is a formula, helping verb plus been plus ing form of the verb. But take note, this is already present, so it's either we use has or have. Has, again, is for singular subject. Have is for plural subject. Been, and then ing form. So we have has been making and have been making. Lastly, we have the future perfect progressive. So helping verb plus been plus the ing form of the verb. So when we combine that, it's will have plus been plus the ing, making, will have been making. And that's it. So these are the 12 forms or 12 tenses of the verb make, which is an irregular verb.